We are not, for the most part, criminals. We are not, for the most part, criminals. Okay?
For the most part, I ain't no damn criminal, period.
I'm just saying, I'm sorry. We've been to school. We've been to college. We've done research. We know how to look shit up. We are professionals at what we do, and we are not, for the most part, criminals. Okay?
For the most part, I ain't no damn criminal, period.
I'm just saying, I'm sorry. We are professionals at what we do.
I'm asking all of you that can hear me. Did you hear what I heard? What Big Little Kim told the YouTube family. Did you hear what I heard? A Freudian slip that came out of Kim's lips. She's supposed to be intelligent, but she said exactly what she meant. Marcellus, he corrected her. I am no criminal. A hit dog, he always hollers first. But did you hear what I heard? That Freudian slip that came out of Kim's lips is the truth, and it's really in her heart. Oh, Kimberly, you're really not that smart. Now I see why you're on that whole beating. You are just a big snitch. Darryl was quiet, but I'm sure he's thinking. I put that bitch in the ditch. That Freudian slip that came out of Kim's lips is the truth, and it's really how she feels. Unfortunately, it's gonna get her.
Please, you please.
She was hating on me so bad that she chased me out of the restaurant. You better get on the right team. You riding with the wrong team. You riding with the wrong team. You know what I'm gonna do for you? I'm gonna give you this right here. Your team to help you out. Your team to help you out.